R1 Quick back with another video. Going out for a ride. I just did an oil change because my gearbox became kind of clunky. So I put Amsol 10W40 synthetic. I had Yamalube in there, and it's only been 1,000 miles with the Yamalube, but it wasn't synthetic. It was just 10W40. I was just trying something out. So let's see now how the gearbox behaves. Hopefully it's not the clutch. The clutch is not slipping, but it's been acting weird, like going into first gear. You guys be the judge as well. You guys help me out. I'm waiting for the bike to warm up. Like I said, just did the oil change. I only put 3 quarts, and the oil's in between the lines, because that's what it says on the manual, to keep it in between, not at the high line. I always thought that you had to put it on the high line, but I guess not. It says in the manual in between. So that's what I did now for the first time. Let's see how the bike responds. I changed the headlights back to the factory ones because the other ones I couldn't really see at night. So I have to do some modifications to put some LEDs on. I really don't want to go with HIDs because I don't want all those wires sticking out. You know, this clutch basket is making a lot of noise. See? I can hear it, and when I press in the clutch, it goes away. Right, she goes into neutral fine. I don't know, shift kind of a little bit hard, but they say sometimes you got to break the oil in. So let's see what happens. Hopefully you got enough oil, like I said. The oil's in between. I can smell the oil now because some of the oil fell on the exhaust. Even if you clean it off, you're going to smell it for a little while. I'm going to go this way because this light takes long when it's a bike. It doesn't read the weight of the bike. So I'm going to just go around the garage. The gas station here. I don't need gas because I put gas last night. I was out at the Syracuse street races yesterday. I didn't race, but a couple other people raced. And I thought that I was recording, but I wasn't. I wasn't recording no audio. also want to see how my quick shifter works, because my quick shifter, Dynojet quick shifter, was working good, and then about 3 weeks ago, when you go into fifth gear, it will go into neutral first and then go into gear. I don't know what was that all about, but let's see now with this new oil, if this oil helps out. I've heard good reviews about Amsol, and I'm 1 or 2 bad reviews, so let's see. But it's going into neutral smoothly, which I like. But that clutch basket or something just making a lot of noise. When I press in the clutch, it goes away, man. But I hate that sound. So far, so good. Besides the clutch noise. Well, the clutch basket, not the clutch. I hate these bugs that get on your visor. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with that clutch noise. I'm gonna have to just change the clutch or take it to the shop or something. That's where the races was last night. Right across the street there. And that McDonald's.